So long vowel sound A comes like A. Okay, like M-A-K-E, make. D-A-T-E, date. L-A-T-E, late. T-A-K-E, take. G-A-T-E, gate. H-A-T-E, hate. C-A-K-E, cake. P-L-A-T-E, plate. So here in all these words, you will find one thing common, and that the sound of A is A. A. And this is time for us to know what is called short vowel sound. In short vowel sound, the A sound completely transforms into a, or like that, right? Like B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. F-A-T-H-E, father. M-A-N, man. F-A-N, fan. R-A-T, rat.